loppuselleet on häviämässä, tai hän on siirtymässä pois eläkkeelle. This is also very nice today on the 11th of July 2024. We have Keskuskatu 12 in Mäntsälä, Uusimaa, Finland. Your best is 8 persons or 608 grams. Yeah, it has 3 floors. This was built in 1991. This here number says 66693. And it's very fresh.
Yeah.
It's traction and fast enough for just 3 floors. But that was a window parolic, but still very nice.
Yeah. Inspired by Device and maintained by Kone.
Yeah. I believe this is the beginning of 1991.
Yeah.
Because the machine still sounds like it's from the late 1980s to me.
Yeah.
Like 1987 or 88.
That's